Here's a little video for you F-150 owners, any late model F-150 that has a sunroof. Big concern is how your sunroof drains. There's 4 drains on it, 1 in each A-pillar. Then there's also a rubber hose that drains all the way back and down up to your cab corner. Now what happens is that hose just sits right in here, and that's where moisture accumulates, and that's where you get a corrosion issue. So if you want to keep your truck looking good, here's what you do. All you really need is a little bit of duct tape, a little pry tool. I got quite a rigid piece of wire here with a little hook on the end. And when you're all done to test it, just a little cup, put some water in it and a funnel, and I'll explain how each item is used. You might want to go into the back side of the door jamb area and pull this apart, and you'll be able to reach your hand in here, and when the hose, it comes down, it goes through a piece of foam. You might have to reposition it to get it to go a little bit more forward, and from there you use the wire to get the tube to go from the inner workings of the door. You can see there's an oval slot where the hose is coming through. So use the wire to fish it through there and just to the outside of the cab. There was a piece of duct tape over here covering the hole, much like this one that's coming off. Anyways, when you're done, you can put a piece of duct tape over it to keep the hose positioned where it should be. And I used that pry tool to gently pry the plastic trim away from the body without damaging it. Okay, here's the end result. And now that you're done, you can go up top and test the drain ports to make sure they're draining properly. Basically, pour water in each corner to let it drain down, and pour water in this back corner. And you may have to back the truck up to allow it to drain downhill, because the way the trucks sit on an angle, most of the water will want to go this way. So if you back out of your driveway a bit, pour some water in at the sunroof, you should see it draining out the hose, and it'll keep the moisture out of your cab corners, and it'll keep it looking good for a long time to come. Hope this helps you guys out.